In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a table in Constant Contact. Whether you're new to Constant Contact or looking to refine your skills, adding a table can help organize your data and present information more clearly in your emails. It's a straightforward process, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure you feel confident in adding a table to your email campaign. First, you'll want to head over to constantcontact.com. It's important to log in with your account details if you haven't already, as this will allow you to access all the necessary features. Once you're logged into your dashboard, you'll see a variety of options and tools available to you. Next, direct your attention to the top menu where you'll find the Campaigns tab. Click on this tab to access all your existing email campaigns. This is where you'll manage and edit your campaigns, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area if you haven't spent much time here before. Once you're inside the campaign section, select the specific campaign you want to edit by clicking on it. If you don't have an existing campaign, you might consider creating a new one to practice adding a table. After you've selected your campaign, click Edit to open the email editor. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to customize and enhance your email content. On the left side of the editor, you'll notice a panel labeled Content. This panel is your go-to resource for adding various elements to your email, such as text blocks, images, and buttons. It's a versatile tool that allows you to drag and drop different components to build your email just the way you like it. Now focus on finding the data table option within this content panel. It might take a moment to locate it if you're not familiar with the layout, but it's typically listed among the other content blocks. Once you've found the data table, simply click and drag it over to your email design area. You'll see a highlighted space where you can drop the table into your layout. Release your mouse button to place it. After you've added the table, you can start customizing it to fit your needs. Constant Contact allows you to adjust the number of rows and columns, input your data, and even style the table to match your branding. Don't forget to save your changes once you've finished setting up your table. This ensures that all your hard work is preserved and your table is ready to be sent out in your email campaign. And there you have it. Adding a table in Constant Contact is a simple way to enhance your emails and present information clearly and effectively. This feature is particularly useful for newsletters, product lists, or any information that benefits from a structured layout. Remember, practice makes perfect, so take your time and explore the different customization options available to make the most out of your email campaigns. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you add tables to your Constant Contact emails with ease. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Happy emailing!